Hello everybody, welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. So, if you remember on a couple of videos ago, we took and sent the hearing aids and the cheap camcorders back to Amazon because neither one was worth paying for, the junk. So, this box arrived, wasn't supposed to be here until June 1st to the 3rd. Today is the 29th, I know it's the 29th because it's my grandson's birthday. So we had to give him a call after a while. Happy birthday, Nicholas. And it's the 29th and it's arrived already. It's got to be because the hearing aids ain't that big in that box. And then Mr. Phil comes over and we got another box which was supposed to arrive today. It's got to be the hearing aid. So let's tear into them. Let's see what we got. And these will be going back. The Jinhao hearing aids. Same thing I just sent back. So those will be going back. I don't understand that. Okay, so let's move on to this. This should be our new camcorder, which is a Canon and accessory. So there's a bunch of stuff in there. I ordered the whole bundle. So we got, let's just take it out of the box and lay it out. So here we got the batteries and the memory card. This is the microphone. Here's a tripod grip stabilizer to hold the camera. Lens filter kit. A light. And a charger and 2 batteries. This is a tripod, 50-inch tripod, and a carrying case for everything. And of course, the camera. So I ordered the Vixia HF R800, and in the kit it comes with all this stuff. Let's get the knife put away so nobody gets hurt. Alright, so here's the bag. Good enough. Got a pocket on the outside. On each end. Alright, cool. Got a little handle. Got a strap holder here. So it must have a strap inside. Everything's zip. Zipper operated, which I like that better than, okay, here's the strap. So yeah, all good. Set that to the side. The tripod. Got a carrying case, nice little strap. You can make it longer or shorter. And a zipper top. I like that. My other one that I left with Irene when I was in the Philippines has a case, but it didn't have a zipper top. It was just a drawstring. That's nice. They got it packaged well. And it's basically, of course it's a little bit different. And it can also be hung. Look at that. which is pretty cool. I like that. But I've got a 54-inch here. This is a 54. And this is just a 50, so it'll be maybe like this, which is fine. This has got a smaller footprint at a lower level if you want to set it on something. So that's something for me to think about in the future. So we got the tripod and the case. Put the case off to the side. This here is the microphone. So it's the shotgun microphone. Got the windsock and some type of a mount. Appearing like battery operated, so I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know, we'll figure that out. But here's the back of the package. Ultimax, shotgun microphone, windsock, and mount. So that's that. This bag has the filters, the memory card in it. If I can get it out. We will get it out. Okay, so here's digital camera battery. And that's the Vivitar battery, by the way, and the 64 gig memory card. So the camera battery, 64 gig card, and a card reader, which is nice, having a card reader. Just USB operated. I have to read on this to know what I'm doing. I don't understand what's going on in here. Maybe nothing. That's the card reader. Oh, that's the slot to put the cards in. Okay. So what that is, you plug this into the USB and you put your card into there, and it's got different spaces. Some on the end too. Pretty cool, I like that. That's awesome. Just a reader, it's not a memory stick. Keep that in mind. But it's part of the kit. The filter kit. This is a lens filter kit. You're gonna have to get the knife out again, it'd be dangerous. Everybody say a little prayer, nobody gets hurt. Nice, it's got a little pouch for them to go in. And you got different color lenses. There's your purple. That's kind of a clear. I don't know. Yeah, they're different shades if you want to shade the lens. So I thought they were different colors, but they're not. They're actually just different shades, one of them being purple. So that's that. And we got a hand grip, stabilizer, a little 6.5-inch tripod. Pretty cool on that. 6.5-inch tripod. There's the mount. Of course, I don't know how to operate it yet. I just pulled it out. Could be dangerous, folks. It could be dangerous. Ah, here we go. So there's your little tripod if you want to do that. Got a little hole you can put a strap on or something like that. So yeah, pretty cool. That's it right here. Kind of a pistol grip. But that ought to be pretty neat to use. And if you want to set it down, you still got the little tripod. So yeah, I'm kind of digging that. Digging that a lot. Because it's hard to hold my hand steady up here for so long. The cameraman Phil was very good at knowing. You can't see him, but he's sitting here like this. Because your arm gets tired after a while. And believe me, it's true. Okay, here's the light kit. Rechargeable LED light kit. Vivitar. So it's got 2 batteries. I'm assuming this is for the light itself, and the mount, and then a charger. So this is probably just one unit by itself. I think it said something like up to 800 hours. 36 super bright LED lights, 40 watt equivalent. Consistent illumination and a battery wall charger. So yeah. Up to 2 hours continuous use. 5600K color temperature. And a hot shoe mount for use with camcorders, cameras, and brackets and whatnot. So pretty cool. Contains LED photo and video light, 2 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries and charger, mounting bracket, and a 1-year warranty card. All right. So the big reveal, of course, would be the camera. And again, this is a Vixia HF R800 by Canon. Canon. This is what we're waiting on. So let's get the deadly weapons out of the way before something bad happens. Alright, so USB cord. Obviously we need that. This is going to be a charger. A charger. HDMI cable for hooking to your television or whatever you want to do. Battery. And the grand jewel of it all. Alright, I like this that it has a closure. Keep our lens in good shape. It's small. The zoom is located right here. There's a flip screen and it'll turn. I believe it's a 3-inch screen, might be 3.5. And battery just mounts on the back, same as the other one. Same sort of setup, it's almost exactly the same. Just got a different zoom button on it. But this is a Canon. It's not a cheapo like that one. $70 or $80, whatever it was. So yeah, this is what we got, folks. So we're going to get the battery charged up. This battery, by the way, I'm just noticing it. It's much, much heavier than the one that was on the cheapo cam. It's much heavier. It may even fire up. Usually they send with a little charge. See if we can get that going. Should open up and fire up. Got some control buttons on and off. And then a menu, and then all of our jacks. We got a mic jack, audio video out, HDMI out, which the other one didn't have, and USB out, the micro USB. So I'm trying to get it to fire up, and it's not. And it's probably not going to without a card in it anyway, so I wasn't thinking about that. But we'll get it all put back, charged up, not put back, but charged up, and all that good stuff. And then we'll take some new video with it. Mr. Phil, cameraman Phil, and me, we got to go out today, and we'll try to pick up some kind of video somewhere. So, thanks for looking in, folks. We want to hear from you, so please comment in the section below. Remember to like with a big thumbs up, share it to your friends and family, and most of all, subscribe. So, toodaloo, toodaloo.